Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss another trigger scenario which was asked in Infosys. So the scenario is we have to write a trigger to ensure when the case owner is deactivated, the owner's manager is the new owner of that particular case. So we will write this trigger in the after update context. Trigger.new will hold all the user IDs, especially the those ones which where we have performed the operation, and user dot we need to check that this user is not active, and the current value and the previous is not same. That means there are some changes that has happened. We'll create a set, and in this set we will store all the user IDs. Okay, now we will have the list of user, say user list. We'll also query the manager ID from user IDs. Now we'll check if this user list is not empty, then now we'll create a map of ID to ID. It will be like user to manager. And we will check if this key contains what? The user record. If it doesn't contains, then we will put it here. Manager ID. Okay, so now here we need to find the list of user, sorry, list of cases. I think we will query. Yes. Mm, So it should be owner.id, not owner ID, and here also it should be owner.id, and we'll also take the case number. Now I think we should be able to save it. Yes. Now we will perform the assignment. So the assignment will be owner ID will be equals to dot owner ID. We'll create a list in order to perform the update. If this is not empty, yeah. So now we will go and try to test the trigger that we have written. So we will create a new case here, and then the origin will be phone. Okay, so we have it here. Now we can see that the case owner is the SFDC Explorer. Now we will just reassign this to SFDC beginner, and we will change the owner. Now that the case owner is changed, and if we try to perform the activity on this user, now I would like you guys to pause the video for a moment and comment what error we will get here. Perfect. This is what I wanted to show you, the mixed DML operation. So when we get the mixed DML operation, when we try to do the update or any DML operation in the same transaction which contains the setup and the non-setup object. So what went wrong? Here we should have used the future method. That is the reason why we got this error. So now we will create one class, say future demo, and we will mention this as future. Now what we will do is we will call this from here. we pass the IDs here, and these IDs we will use in our class. Now that we have it here, what we will do is we will code this, we will copy this entire code in the method, in the future method that we have created. So here we go. We will cut this, we will put it here, and then we will also take this entire code to this class, and we will also take these two with us in the other class. Now we will try to perform the same operation that we were trying to perform earlier. Now let's go and try to save this record, and this time we can see this record is now saved, and we will verify whether the case owner is changed or not. So now we can see that the case owner is changed to the manager of that user. So we can also verify that the manager is the SFTC Explorer. So this is it. Now I would like to ask all of you, how many of you were actually able to guess what went wrong in the first attempt? So feel free to add a comment if you think that you were already able to understand it was a trick. Yeah, thank you.